Okay, so it's Thursday the 13th of August. Hannah's birthday, the birthday girl, 27 today. It's just after 5 AM and we're off to Edinburgh. We're flying and we thought we'd do a little video just to see what changes have been made airport and flying, just because obviously we fly a lot and things are going to be different this time, because this is our first time.
So we are just at the car parking for the airport, and usually the airport parking they park the car for you, but this time we've just been asked to follow the shuttle bus and the driver will put us in our parking space. It's all changed since COVID.
We're now at Birmingham Airport and it is so quiet, it's weird. August, like peak time, like we've been to tiny little airports that just take 3 planes and it's been busier than this.
It's just like a really weird atmosphere that's in the air, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean we just got off the airport bus. Usually there's stacks of cars waiting to be parked. There's 4 of us on the bus, 3 of those is me, Hannah and the driver. So we're just in the check-in area and it's absolutely rammed. We're now just in the Wetherspoons, like the main bar after security. Normally you can't get a seat in here. 7 AM, peak time, chilling with a drink in peace and quiet.
It's usually rammed in here. Like,
it's full of stag doos and hen doos.
When we first got here, we was the only people in here. There are a few more people in now, but we were the only ones, wasn't we?
Yeah, peak time though, flying. It's a little bit busier now. I think it must just have been our flight. Now we're in Edinburgh Airport. What do you think of the flight?
Quiet.
Nice and relaxing though. Yeah, strangely quiet. Yeah, it's a little bit busier here, but I'm guessing Edinburgh's a bit more of a desired location than Birmingham, but still really quiet for August.
Yeah, very quiet.
Last leg of the journey now. It's on the Airlink bus. Can't wait to get this mask off.
Can't breathe.
Oh, that's better. Okay, so our first flight since COVID is now complete. Yeah, I mean everything's a lot quicker. Obviously there's less people. It's 9:30 now, the time our flight was supposed to land, and we're actually in the centre of Edinburgh, just by the castle. What do you think about it all?
It was different. I liked how much handover there was around the airport. It was absolutely everywhere.
Oh yeah, that's definitely a winner. That's got to stay.
It did feel really clean. It was really quiet. Everything was moved along really quickly. But as Nate says, there was less people, so it just seemed less. There's no stress.
Yeah. But we need more people to keep the planes in the sky, don't they?
Yeah, we'll be those people.
Yeah. But yeah, not worried about doing it again.